Stop throwing away your stale bread. And seriously, folks, stop putting your summertime tomatoes in the refrigerator. Today, we're gonna show you how to make this excellent salad. And don't be mistaken by the name salad. It's crispy, it's seriously savory, and it'll be the best summertime dish you'll eat. And today we're making something called panzanella. Very simple, quick, and you're absolutely gonna love it.
Very good.
All right, let's get cooking. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slice up these tomatoes and get all that beautiful juice out of these tomatoes. So what I'm gonna do is just remove the stem, and we're gonna go ahead and cut the tomatoes and put them in this colander because we want all that juice to run out. We're gonna cut them into wedges. And these tomatoes are very juicy. They're gonna work out perfect for this recipe right here. All right, now we're gonna take a little salt and we're gonna salt these tomatoes. We want all that moisture to be removed from the tomatoes. It's like liquid gold. We're gonna let these tomatoes rest in here for about 15 minutes and they will be ready. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and dice up this bread. This is about 1 pound and 7 ounces. We just want to get 1 pound of bread out of it.
That's it?
Yeah. We'll save this one for later.
Yeah, for our shrimp scampi we're making later.
Yeah, that's after this video. But traditionally, you know, folks would tear this bread by hand and they would use stale bread, but you know, recipes are always evolving, you know, they're changing, you know, and for the better for the most part. So what we're gonna do with this bread, we're gonna go ahead and toast it in the oven. This way it gives it a nice crunchy texture. You know, they started this recipe out in Tuscany. I'm not sure exactly when, but it was before the tomato arrived in Italy.
Centuries.
Yeah. Anyway, they made this dish without tomatoes, but once tomatoes arrived in Italy, then they went ahead and incorporated it into this panzanella, which was fantastic. Of the dicing. Anyway, we're gonna get this toasted in the oven. Put our sheet pan here. You wanna spread these out evenly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some olive oil. I love this stuff. Coats everything evenly. Perfect. And just put a pinch of salt on there. We have the oven on 375. I'm gonna go ahead and toast these up. All right, now we're gonna get our veggies ready. We got some beautiful red onion here. We're gonna slice this up thin as possible. Probably 1/4 of an onion is perfect. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same with this cucumber. We're gonna slice it up very thin. Perfecto. All right, as soon as that bread is ready, we're gonna go ahead and make our dressing. All right, bread is ready. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Ah, perfect. See that crispiness?
Give me one of those.
All right, now we're just gonna pour this in a bowl. All right, let that cool off and then we're gonna go ahead and add all the veggies and the dressing. All right, now we're gonna start our dressing. Check out this juice from the tomatoes. This is gonna be perfect mixed with the oil and vinegar and everything else. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put about 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then we have some Dijon mustard here. This is what I'm talking about when I say recipes evolve. Put about 1/2 teaspoon, pinch of salt, pinch of oregano. And then we're gonna go ahead and grate this garlic here, this 1 clove of garlic. Okay. Let's go ahead.
Pepper?
Oh,
Good job.
The pepper.
Somebody's got to watch you.
Spice. He's here for the spice.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and mix this around in those beautiful tomato juices. And that is all ready. All right, let's put together this beautiful panzanella. And put our cucumbers in there and our onion. Now our tomatoes. Go ahead and pick up some of this fresh basil that my beautiful wife grew.
That's right.
She's actually on the camera today.
I am trying to keep them from messing up my basil.
Oh, you don't do that. Come on.
Never.
All right, we're gonna tear up these leaves.
He's the one who cuts it off the plants all the time.
Oh,
You've
he's like,
literally
"You're on
been
video."
caught on video, Bob. I love you, brother, but I done caught you.
All right.
But it is usually your brother.
All right, now for the dressing. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up.
Don't spill any, we're hungry.
That looks good.
All right, now we're gonna let this soak in. You've got to give it about 30 minutes. We can't eat it right away. I mean, you can, but you want to wait to get.
I wouldn't wait.
You want to wait to get that that bread absorbing all that beautiful liquid that's in there, and then we'll be good to go. We'll be right back. All right, it's been 20 minutes, but it's ready. Go ahead and fill this up.
It was ready as soon as he mixed it, I'm just saying.
Yeah, well, I like it crispy. You know, still.
Yeah, it's still crispy.
It was delicious. Either
All
way.
right. All right, now we're gonna put our own finishing touch on it. Fresh mozzarella. Now it's no longer a side dish, it's a nice lunch. All right, let's go ahead and now we put some black pepper on here. All right,
Looks good.
Taste it. Panzanella. I know Dominic loves tomatoes. Put some cucumbers on there. A couple of pieces of fresh mozzarella. There you go.
Looks good.
Wow.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Great summertime dish when it's 100 degrees outside. Very good.
It's delicious. You're absolutely gonna love this dish. Now, like I said, you can use stale bread if you want, but we prefer to toast the bread to give it more texture, and it is absolutely amazing. It really is. It'll be your favorite summertime dish. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Thanks, guys.